Hi viewers, so in O-Level IGCSE Mathematics we will do sets, and in the sets we will do Venn diagrams. So this rectangle is the universal set. So usually it is denoted with the symbol E. So in the E we usually write like this. So these are all universal sets. So now we want to show in the first Venn diagram the two sets intersection, A intersection B, which means that if we have two overlapping sets like this, and one is A and the other is B, so the common part will be the A intersection B, so this one. Similarly, if we are to show A union B, means the combination of the two sets A and B. So again we take the example of overlapping sets. So A union B will be the two sets A and B, including the common region, both sets A and B. This will be A union B. If we are to show complement of A, which means A prime, so that means other than the set A, the rest of the universal set. So if this is the set A, then A complement will be outside of the circle A. Everything outside the circle A. Like this. So this region is indicating A complement, A prime. And if it is A union B complement, so that means other than the common part of A union B, this one, we shade everything which is outside. So it will be everything outside the two circles A and B. So it is this. Other than the two circles, everything outside is A union B whole complement. So it means A intersection B. So this is intersection, means the common part. This is union, which means combining the two sets. This is complement, means not A, other than A. And this is A union B complement. Okay, so now more complements and Venn diagrams. If we are to show in the Venn diagram what is A intersection B whole complement, so obviously A intersection B is the common region of A and B, this one. So other than this region we'll shade everything. So it means it will be like this. So we are shading everything except the middle common region. So this is left, the rest is all is shaded. And now if we are to shade A intersection B complement, so the complement is any one of the set. Before it was the whole complement. So in this case we say that it is in the set A but it is outside the set B. So keeping outside the set B but keeping inside A, it will be only this region. So see, it is inside the set A and outside the set B, not outside of the set A. And we will also mark that these are the universal sets. Now we will do similar to this, but instead of intersection we have union. So it is A union B complement. Only complement is at B. So union is actually easier to shade than the other sets. Like shade the whole set A and then also shade everything outside the set B. We are not to see the common region. So that means first we'll shade the whole set A. So it means it is, and then we shade everything outside the set B. So which is not shaded, we will shade that part. Which is already shaded, like inside the set A, we will not shade it again. So this is the region which is A union B. So if we see these two examples, so in A intersection B complement, we got a moon and it is a shaded moon. And in this case, we got an unshaded moon in case of union. Okay, now we will have the situation of subsets. So in case of subset situation, let's say that A is a subset of B. We write it like this. So it means every element of A is contained in B. So in the Venn diagram, we shall have, so the bigger set is B and smaller set is A. So we mark a big set, this is set B, and inside of that we will make a set which is set A. So see that the entire set A is contained in the set B. So this is A is a subset of B. Now some more examples of the subsets and the situations. So let's say that B is the subset of A. So in this case, it means every element of B is in A. So it means A is a bigger set. So now we will make the set A bigger. And inside of this set, we will make the set B. So the entire set B is contained in A. So B is a subset of A. Then we will see disjoint sets. So disjoint sets. So which means that the sets will be two which have no item common. So not overlapping, not subset, but they have nothing common. So the two sets A and B will be disjoint if they are totally drawn separately. Remember in this case, the common part of A intersection B we cannot show here because nothing is common between the two sets. So this will be an empty set. So empty set is marked with this symbol phi. So we can say that for any two sets A and B, we have only three possible situations. One is that one set is the subset of the other. One is that they are disjoint sets, they have nothing common. And one is that they are overlapping, which we already have discussed many cases of this. So this is the example of overlapping sets. Overlapping sets. Then we will have the three set situations, like we have a set A and a set B. Remember when we are drawing the Venn diagram, so we always make the overlapping part a little bit bigger, so that if we want to write or we want to shade, so there should be some reasonable region where we will show. So like third set is now this. So these are three overlapping sets A, B, and C. Here, if we want to show that what is A intersection B intersection C, so like A intersection B intersection C, which means the most common region of the three sets. So that will be this one. This region is present in all the three sets. Now some more cases of the three set situations. If it is A union B union C, which means we will shade all the three sets A, B, C. So it will be the entire set A, entire set B, and the entire set C. So this shade is showing A intersection A union B union C. So the three sets. If we have the case of A union B, and this whole single set A union B is have intersection with set C. So first we will see the bracket part, and then we'll see the set C. Bracket part is A union B, which is the entire set A and B, this region, and common of this with the set C will be this region, these three. So we will shade it like this, like this, like this one. Sorry, it will be here. So this region. Now look at again on it. A union B. This part is the entire set circle A and the circle B. Now the common of these two with the set C will be only this region. So this has this answer. Similarly, if it is A union B intersection C, but now the bracket is on this side. Same thing, but bracket is here instead of here. So now first we'll see what is the bracket. So the bracket is B intersection C. B intersection C means the common part of B and C. Now since it's a union with the other side, so we can freely first draw this and then we can draw this. So B intersection C is already shown, which is the common part of B and C. And now we'll shade the set A, which is this entire circle of the set A. Some part of that is already shaded and some part which is not shaded, so we have shaded now. So this is the answer of this. Means the entire circle A and the leftover common part of B and C. So this is the answer for this. Okay, finally something with the complement in case of three sets. Like if we have A union C complement and intersection with the set B. So obviously first we'll see what is the bracket. So bracket is A union C, which means the entire circles A and C. Now complement means outside of these two circles A and C, and its common part with the circle B, like inside of the circle B and outside of A and C. So then it will be this region only, like we are keeping inside the circle B but not going in the circle A and C. Outside of A and C but inside of B is this. Outside of A and C but inside of the B is this. Okay, thank you.